create cap plate. Column cap plate we need to create. Go to the PDF, you can see the cap plate. Here it is, cap plate. You can see this is the cap plate. That is plate thickness 25. Now go to the text class structure, then go to application and component, type here cap plate, or you can make it cap plate detail, like that. Few cap plates available. In that we don't want any other things like this, we just need it plate. So select this one. Now go to the section grid view, just go to grid view, press Ctrl tab, you go to the grid view. We need to create here. Just select this one and select the column and click the location. It will place like this, but we need to place this one below. Just double click this one. We will customize first, then we will need to create. Select, just make it here 0. We don't want any gap, so just make it here all the area, just make it here 0, and here also all the area, just make it 0. Then simply modify. It will place like this. You can see exactly fitted with edges. Now select this one, go to plate, make it the thickness 25. If you go to the PDF, you can see that thickness 25. Then make it here, this is a plate, make it 1. And what is the material? You can select the material. If you go to the steel, you can select the material and click OK. And our all the thing capacities, you can make the name also. Then simply modify. Now here it is modified perfectly. Then if you go to the weld, other all the thing capacities, no need to make any other changes. Now come down, just come here. You will get it some more items also. In that, if you need any circular column, if you need to make, you can select this one. Otherwise, just keep as it is. Then simply modify and click OK. Then select this one, right click, go to the move command, click this end point, and you can place it like this. So here it is placed perfectly with this end. Same connection you can create all the area also, or you can just go to component, create current connection, just click this column, you can place it here, then right click interrupt, select this one, right click, move, click this location and place it like this. So now here also we placed. So then we can copy these all the connections and all, we can place it that side. So select this all the area, you have to select like this. Before that you have to check your work plane, select all the things. Now we don't want this end plate, just press Ctrl and you can remove from selection. Right click, copy, mirror, click this point and click this point, then copy. Within few seconds all the things will copy to that side. All the connections, everything you will get it. You can see here this connection, you will get it, everything you will get it. So this is the way you can create this cap plate, and you can arrange this one like this in Tecla structure. Thank you so much.